My name is Jorge Rosso. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Colombia. I was born in Girón, but nowadays I'm living in Tibú Norte de Santander. On the other hand, I live with my wife and my little daughter. Also, I'm studying in electronic engineer and in my third semester of my professional career. By the way, my favorite hobbies are playing video games and going eastward, but I don't like to be surrounded by minor people eating the banana with tuna. In my last vacation, I was in Gardur, France, located in Tibú, Norte de Santander. I was in party with all my family. The weather was a little hot cause it was around 32 Celsius. I played soccer with my family and we ate sancocho. I ride a horse and we went to river and I swam some of my family drank some beer. I am going planet a trip to Chinacota the next month. Chinacota is located in Norte de Santander. It is a beautiful town. The weather is cool and there are some beautiful places to visit. Thank you.